So today I just want to show you something new that I bought. It will be of help to me because I had started my business 1 month ago, and this is one of the products that I make. It's a satin bonnet. It's satin lined on the inside, then African print on the outside, and I had unstitched all my products using my hands.
My gifted hands.
The process is a bit tiresome and it takes a lot of time, so I decided why not save up and buy a new machine. This will make the process a little bit faster and smooth. I have the machine over here. This is the machine head, and over here I have the table, then there's the stand, and we'll be unboxing all of it right now. Kindly stick to the very end so that you can see how I unpackage all of it and how I will assemble it, because it's a manual machine, it's not the electronic one. My business is Beyote Accessories. Beyote is a Luo word meaning like all things are nice. So mainly I deal with hair products or hair accessories that will help protect the hair, and mostly I use satin fabric. My business is about protecting the natural hair or just any kind of hair, because bonnets can be worn on any type of hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch to the very end. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video, and also kindly do make sure you give this video a thumbs up and do share it to your friends, family. So without wasting time, let's just get right into it. So I'll start by opening the table. I'll just cut these off. This is the table, you can see it, and I love that it's white. I love this color. That's it for the table. Whew, let's go to the stand. So let's remove the wrapper from this. So I've already finished unwrapping the stand. Let's now go and package the head. It's butterfly sewing machine. I'll just go ahead, remove this, then get everything out. So this is the top part. So what I'm just going to like this, slant it to the side, then I'll again slant it like that, then I'll gently remove it from the box. And there we go. I really have to be careful with this because I don't want to break anything. It had already been assembled from the shop that I went to buy it from, and they already fixed some parts that was separate, so I don't really have a lot of work to do while assembling the whole thing. Maybe just putting the rope, put it from the side, then I'll just remove this one. And here it is. Straight from the box. It hasn't been used yet. I love this. So here is the machine. I don't know, this place should be tightened up like that, so it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. And it's a butterfly sewing machine. It's from the company of Butterfly, so it still have this. It's been written butterfly sewing machine. Oil the part before you start. So oiling a machine is really important before you start working with it. And they had also tested the machine out to see if it's working. We did it together, so that's why there's this thread over here. I'm in love. I love this. So let's now go ahead and assemble everything. Let's put the machine on the table and put in the wire. I think that will be the most challenging part, but I'll hack this. So this is my sewing machine. The rope is tied, everything is well assembled apart from the space that's on the table there, but I don't really mind about that. And everything is fixed well, and I've tried it out, it's working fine. And I think now my production will be faster and better, and I just can't wait to produce more of that and do much tutorials. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this, and thank you so much for staying up to this point, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.